Hi, my name is Ryan Bausch. I'm a business owner in the District of Columbia. I've been working with Bill Storm for about 5 years, and this video is really about sharing my success story with you all and what I've been able to gain from working with Bill and how it's helped me realize a lot of my personal goals and dreams that I didn't think would be possible until further in the future or even at all. Just to give you some perspective, right now I'm 31 years old. Self-employed, owned the business that I currently own for 2 years. It was a pre-existing business making about $300,000 a year, $25,000 a month. I had no business experience in terms of running a business, no degrees or anything associated with running businesses. All I had in terms of work experience was 4 years working for the Federal Bureau of Investigation as an analyst. So I did have some strong analytical skills, but beyond that, I was brand new to the business scene. And Bill was great, instrumental in helping me learn how to focus and grow into my new management role. So good, in fact, that I had an opportunity to buy the business. The owner saw something in me that he liked and, thought that I would be a good fit for taking it over from him. So I had that opportunity, and I attribute a lot of that to, Bill and his tutelage along the way. But it wasn't an easy journey. And, when I first started working as a business owner, wasn't really making much of a salary. I had to invest a lot of the money back into the business. I had no free time, literally, 6 days a week, 60 hours a week. Lucky to have that one day off. Sometimes I did have to go in on Sundays, though. And I wasn't married at the time. Lived in an apartment. I had to commute to go see my wife. We had a long distance relationship. It was about 2 hour drive every weekend to go visit her and spend time. So needless to say, I was exhausted and pretty stressed out and unhappy as a business owner, even though we were doing really well. $300,000 a year was pretty good, but I wasn't seeing hardly any of that money, being I was buying the business and putting a lot of the money back into it. But fast forward, 2 years later, we're making $500,000 almost a year. My personal salary skyrocketed up to $200,000. I've got 6 people working for me. I'm in the office 4 days a week, and still working with Bill throughout the entire process. And Bill is good because he demands excellence and will demand it from you. And if you can give it back to him, he'd be happy to work with you, because what Bill is passionate about, what he's 100% in it to win it for, is helping you grow yourself as an individual and grow your business. And if you can show him that you're committed to both of those things, he's going to show you how your personal dreams and goals are directly connected to the success of your business. And what I mean by that is my personal goals are spending time with my wife and our family. I'm a hunter, an outdoorsman. I love spending time outdoors. And like you, I don't want to wait till I'm 60 years old to have the kind of free time that a retired person would have to do all the things that they love to do, to spend all the time with the people they want to spend time with. I'm going to have kids eventually, and I'm going to have the opportunity to be at home a lot with my kids and be a part of their lives growing up, and spend more time with my wife than I would if I was working a 9 to 5 job, or if my business was 100% dependent upon me being there. That's kind of stuff that Bill's going to help you realize and identify, like what you really want to do. And if you want to be at your business all day, every day, great. He'll help you make that happen. But if you're more like me and you wanted to devote more time to your family or your passions outside of work, or maybe create some new opportunities for business outside of the one you currently own, Bill will absolutely help you realize those goals and dreams as well. But you have to be in it to win it. You have to be willing to work. And something that we're going to refer to as the times 10 challenge, or putting in the maximum amount of effort that you can in whatever that you're working towards, whatever goal or steps to those goals that you're working towards. Bill's going to ask that of you. And if you're willing to do that, if you think you're able to do that, then you're going to be able to work with Bill, and you're going to be able to have the success that he wants you to have. because that's his passion. His passion is seeing you having success. I'll text Bill pictures of me doing the things that I love to do in my free time, or the different phases of growth that I'm experiencing in my business. And as a coach and a consultant, as somebody that really cares about his clients, he loves seeing those realized dreams and goals and success. And I'm glad I can actually help him achieve his own goals of being a successful consultant and coach, and growing my business through his tutelage. So if you're serious about growing your business and you're not sure how to break out of any ruts or ceilings that you've hit recently, you need to talk to Bill. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next month. You need to talk to him right now, because you're putting off your own happiness and fulfillment. I mean, let me run these numbers by you again, just in case you forgot. I'm 31 years old. I've only owned this business for 2 years. I've increased the revenue from the business by almost $200,000 since I became the owner. And my personal income is $200,000, and I work 4 days a week, and I'm at home 3 days a week. My stress level's the lowest it's ever been, and my free time is beyond what I ever thought it could be, and eventually will be more. So take control of your life. Check out Bill Storm, and all of his consulting services. You won't regret it, and it's definitely going to impact your business in the ways that you want to. And by default, your community is going to benefit as well, your clients and everybody that you serve. So I'm Ryan Bausch. My business is in the District of Columbia. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for checking out Bill Storm.